What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today I was debating on doing this video or not, but I think I was going to. So I'm just gonna step in the garage, tighten that down a little bit. I think I got some better lighting in there. There you go. There's some good lighting. So I was debating on doing this while I was cleaning out my truck. Do I want to do it? Do I not want to do it? So I was just like, you know what, whatever, I'll do it. On my 5 things, which aren't really 5 things, that I don't like about the ZR2. First off, I gotta say I absolutely love this truck. It's been nothing but amazing. I got just over 3,126 miles on it. Drives amazing, handles amazing. The off-road trip that we went on last week was amazing with this. Unfortunately the weather sucked for it, but it is what it is. But this thing's incredible. But it does have some downsides. Let's just jump right into it. The number one thing that I would say that has the biggest issue is this front end. I absolutely love the look of this front end, but I wish it was winch ready. If it was winch ready, this would be perfect. Unfortunately, you either have to buy a new bumper, basically get rid of this entire bottom half of it, but that does get expensive. So we'll see what happens in the future. I wish they would kind of make like how they do with the Jeep Rubicons, where you can just buy, I believe it's like $150, $199 winch plate, and you can just put a winch on it, you know. So there's gonna have to be some modifications on coming to get a winch on here. So we'll see what happens. That would be my number one issue with it. The other thing that I wish that it wasn't the way it is. Oop, throw my mat in here. That's down. Oh, my biggest other complaint is actually this part. Make sure this is off. I don't mind this. I wish they would actually put a couple more up here, just due to making it easier for actually the user. I think instead of me going here and hit my fog lights, I wish they would just do an auto where I can just set it where it's auto on. You know, they don't have anything up here really. I mean, they got basically that's all they really have is just those. And another thing I can't stand is when I go here, wait for this to load up, go to my trip, you know, hit my little trips, and G-force, I don't even know what that is, to be honest. So if you know what that is, let me know down in the comments down below, because I know one of the guys asked me about it. So ever since I talked to him, I've been trying to get this thing to pop up, and I have not been able to get G-force to pop up. I did hear that there's going to be an update on this, so we'll see how that happens, or see whenever that update comes about. Yeah, the only other thing I would have to say is, I mean, obviously everybody complains about the auto start stop. The wireless charging pad, it works and it doesn't work. So it's kind of a hit or a miss. I have seen that people had to put like a little, basically a straw down there to hold their phones up and whatnot, just to get it to sit up here more. But yeah. I mean, honestly, that's all I hate about this truck. It's just the interface on the radio is kind of a pain at times, especially when you're just trying to do a simple just turn on my fog lights or sometimes it's been acting a little goofy here and there, but it is what it is. I know it ain't perfect, and there's always updates for that to be fixed. The biggest thing from my issue is I can't put a winch on here. Is that like the end of the world? No. Is it necessary? For me personally, I think it is, especially if you're off-roading and you're by yourself. You got to have a recovery system, and that is going to be kind of a big issue. If I go out camping or something like that with my son or my fiance, and I go to and we get stuck, let's just say in a mud hole or something like that, and I just need to move like a few feet, that winch is going to be key. That is basically what the biggest issue. Oop, that fell. That's one of the biggest issues I have with this truck. So we'll see what aftermarket comes out with, because that's definitely something that to me is necessary to have. And yeah, that is it. I think that is, it needs to happen. I mean, yeah, probably everybody's waiting for AEV to launch their stuff, but I don't think that stuff's going to come out until the Bison's at least dropped, which that's not until 2024. And right now they are doing their strike, which are they going on just over a month now, so that's going to take even longer to get out. So that sucks. This is a great truck, and I know a lot of you guys either have it on order or you're finally just getting yours. And the people that have this can actually will tell you this truck is awesome. It handles great. It handles good on the trails. I'm super happy with this truck, and like I said, this channel is going to be based off of this truck. This truck is not going to go anywhere. So hopefully we'll see how this goes. And yeah, I love this truck. I can't tell you how much I absolutely love about this truck, except for those couple things. I know some people have been bitching about, because it has the plastic in the doors. It has it above like where the radio is, or up top on the dash. Personally, I like that. It's a truck. To me, if you're buying one of the, especially a ZR2, I can see maybe like a Z71 or even a Trail Boss. You know, if they have their luxury where you get those nicer things, I can see that. This is built for the trails. So I want that plastic on there. I don't want to have a leather armrest on the door where if I'm getting in and out and there's mud on my my shoulder or something, or my elbow, and I go scratch it up or whatnot. I'd rather scratch up the plastic than the leather. But that's just my personal opinion. That's all I got for this one. Like I said, I'm extremely happy. Even with the CCM powered by level suspension, or level up suspension, sorry. It rides amazing. It didn't change anything. It wheeled awesome, and we're gonna get taller. So I'm super excited for that, because once we get taller, we're getting bigger tires on there. I do think you can probably tightly squeeze a 35 on there with the I'm trying to walk over there. With the leveling kit, but I definitely think you're gonna probably rub a little bit. If you put a 35, I think it's basically clocked now. I think you will end up rubbing, but I think it needs to go up another inch, and then that would be basically perfect. Sorry, I'm trying to stay in my garage because that's where I got some light at. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Stay tuned, because we got parts coming in on Friday. So I'm super excited for that. And we got few other parts coming in, and I got some good news. So actually, I'm gonna drop this one on you guys. So I kind of came down to it, and I love to give back to people, make sure help people out as best as I possibly can. So I would like to do this part is not sponsored, and this will come out of me. And if the sponsor wants, if anybody wants to help, on the sponsorship, of this, but I think it's is amazing. So every 1,000 subscribers I get, I'm gonna give away a CCE leveling kit to one of you guys. That's gonna be my promise. So every 1,000 subscribers I get, I'm gonna give away one, and that's all on. That's not sponsored. It's coming out of me. So I think that's awesome. So every 1,000 subscribers I get, and you have to be subscribed to me on YouTube, or obviously on YouTube, and I would like to see my Instagram, follow on Instagram too. So I'm going to leave those 2 links down below. Just go hit the like button and just follow me. Most of it is just all pictures or just kind of just of the truck or off-roading events and stuff like that I go to. So yeah, that's my big announcement that I would like to do to help give back to the community that I'm trying to grow and whatnot. And I think people would really appreciate that. And hopefully maybe next year I'm going to try to set up, I would like to do either the Ozarks or Kentucky, the trail around Kentucky, which I think is quite a bit. I would like to try to get a group of people, and knowing that we're going to be out there filming, but out there enjoying, especially the ZR2s. I got a lot of buddies that are Jeeps, but I like to get like a group of ZR2s to go out, and I think that would be amazing. So yeah, leave me down in the comments down below if you'd even like to see that, and we'll see how it goes. Like I said, I got other things in the future. I was kind of blanking out with my trip to here, and we're really going on a small little getaway for this weekend. So it's this last couple months or so from moving and this and a little bit of everything, planning my wedding and helping out. We did the photography and stuff like that. Was it last week or so? So you'll see that on my Instagram that I just posted. So I'm greatly appreciated each and every single one of you guys. Do me a huge favor, like I said, smash that subscribe button, smash that like button. Help me out. I'll help you guys out. I try to give back to people because that's the right thing to do. Sometimes a lot of people get mixed emotions, but I think giving back to people is more than receiving. So do me a favor. Smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, go on my Instagram page. Everything's going to be down in the description down below. I'm going to leave all my aftermarket parts down in the description, and I'm going to do a build, just kind of keep a tab on my build of this thing, and I'm looking at rooftop racks right now. So leave me down in a comment down below on which rack you guys have. I know I've had up top in the past, or do I go with up top, or I've even been pricing out kind of building my own and kind of do my own little side business, side gig or something like that. But I priced it all out, and I think I just need a couple tools. I think we can do it. So I got numbers already down on a piece of paper, and I think it would be pretty good. So yeah, so leave me down a comment down below and smash that subscribe button. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.